Welcome back to Auto Gear Hub. Today, we're counting down the top 5 electric SUVs of 2025 that are redefining the future of driving. From cutting-edge tech to unbeatable range, these SUVs are not just eco-friendly, they're powerful, stylish, and packed with innovation. Stick around till the end to see which one dominates the list, and don't forget to subscribe. Starting off at number 5, we have the 2025 Ford Explorer EV, a bold step forward for the American automaker. Exterior. The Explorer EV maintains the iconic SUV silhouette but modernizes it with a sleeker front grille, aerodynamic lines, and LED lighting that gives it a premium look. Performance and range. Equipped with a dual-motor AWD system, it pumps out around 390 horsepower. The range. A solid 310 miles per charge, making it perfect for road trips and family adventures. Interior. Inside, the Explorer EV features a spacious 3-row layout, a massive 15.5-inch vertical touchscreen, and Ford's Blue Cruise hands-free driving system. Price. Expected to start at $49,000, it offers a great balance of size, power, and tech for families going electric. At number 4, meet the Hyundai Ioniq 7, a futuristic, full-size electric SUV that's turning heads. Exterior. It's big, bold, and boxy in the best way. With pixel-style LED lights and a massive presence, the Ioniq 7 looks like it's from the future. Performance and range. Built on Hyundai's eGMP platform, the Ioniq 7 promises a 350-mile range, ultra-fast 800 volts charging, and up to 320 horsepower. Interior. Step inside and it feels like a lounge on wheels. There's ambient lighting, sustainable materials, and even a panoramic OLED screen that spans the dashboard. Price. Estimated starting price, $52,000. For futuristic design and luxury, it's a steal. Number 3 brings in the rugged and luxurious Rivian R1S, an electric SUV built for the wild. Exterior. With its signature LED light bar and rugged frame, the R1S screams adventure. It has a high ground clearance and durable design for off-road enthusiasts. Performance and range. Boasting up to 835 horsepower in quad-motor setup, it accelerates from 0 to 60 mph in just 3 seconds. The max battery pack offers 400 miles of range. Interior. It's premium yet practical, vegan leather, natural wood accents, and a 3-row layout for 7 passengers. It even includes built-in camp features like air compressors. Price. Starts at around $78,000. High-end, but built to conquer. At number 2, we have the crowd favorite, the Tesla Model Y long range. Exterior. Sleek, minimalist, and aerodynamic, the Model Y keeps it simple yet modern. Tesla's design remains futuristic and functional. Performance and range. With a dual-motor AWD, the Model Y delivers 330 miles of range and a 0 to 60 time of 4.8 seconds. Plus, access to Tesla's supercharger network is a massive win. Interior. A clean cabin with a central 15-inch touchscreen, wireless updates, and optional third-row seating. Autopilot and full self-driving (FSD) capability are optional. Price. Starting at $51,000, it's one of the best-selling EVs in the world, and for good reason. Topping our list is the all-new Kia EV9, the electric SUV that's redefining value and capability. Exterior. Bold, blocky, and aggressive, the EV9 looks like a concept car brought to life. Vertical DRLs and a high-tech grille make it unmistakable. Performance and range. With options for RWD and AWD, the EV9 offers up to 379 horsepower and a max range of 304 miles. It also features ultra-fast charging, reaching 80% in under 20 minutes. Interior. Spacious, luxurious, and packed with tech, including a triple-screen layout, ambient lighting, and reclining second-row seats. Price. Starting at $56,000, the EV9 punches well above its price bracket, making it the number 1 electric SUV of 2025. So, which one would you drive home in 2025? Whether it's the rugged Rivian or the tech-savvy Tesla, there's never been a better time to go electric. Thanks for watching Auto Gear Hub. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more in-depth car reviews and electric vehicle guides. Check the description for affiliate links to EV accessories, chargers, and more. Support the channel while upgrading your ride.